Say goodbye to the hassle of managing and searching for reports in your SDS tools, or running out of device memory to store those reports you keep for years. Innova's RepairSolutionsPRO app, or rspro, is the ultimate solution for all your report archiving and management needs. Get started by setting up an account and registering the SDS tool with Innova's rspro app. Pair your SDS tool via Bluetooth to get the device ID. Then connect the SDS tool to Wi-Fi. This is a one-time setup. Once the tool has been registered and an account set up, the SDS tool is now able to access the most comprehensive automotive repair database, with real-world verified fixes as well as repair tips offered by ASE master technicians. For vehicle inspection reports, the data is sent to the cloud as soon as the report is created. While for OBD2 reports, you can choose to self-submit by clicking Fix for DTCs or OBD2 report in SDS43, and clicking Tap for details in SDS50. No Wi-Fi connection? No problem, you can always submit your report later in the previous vehicle. But what if you have too many reports? rspro categorizes them into all, diagnostic, customer, and collision, with a filter to look up by vehicle information, date and time, customer name, pre or post, and also includes a search toolbar. Each report includes all the diagnostic information from your SDS tool, including OBD2 diagnostic, scan all systems, vehicle inspection, and MIL DTC diagnostic info. Additionally, rspro provides other useful information such as TSB recalls, scheduled maintenance, predicted failure, warranty status, as well as fix for DTCs and repair tip. Need to compare reports? You can put a pre- and post report side by side for an accurate view of the vehicle's condition before and after the repair. Don't forget to enter or correct customer information before printing or sharing the report with them. Speaking of sharing, you can easily email the report to your customers or share it with them through other methods. Then simply delete the reports that are no longer needed. And if you encounter any issues, our support section is there to help. Innova's RepairSolutionsPRO is now available on Google Play and the App Store. Get it today and simplify your report management process.